I can make $463.42 on one sale.
All my dogs peace, all my mobs deep. Get in your bag, ain't no lost street. Ain't no smoke, it's choke. We want all the heat, we want all the heat, we want all the heat.
What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis here, CEO of WolvesAcademy.com, and in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to make Google money. Let's get right into it. Let's step behind the laptop. Boom, we're behind the laptop. Now, if you guys notice here, we're looking at Google, right? Now, the question I have for you is, if you're a little bit skeptical behind buying a product, what is the first thing you do? You go to Google, right? So for example, let's just say I was interested in buying a product and I was going online and I was comparing apples to oranges, this product to this product, this product to this product. What I'm gonna do, I may be different than everybody else. I think I'm right, but I would usually go ahead and look at a review. So for example, let's just say I was comparing different headphones and I wanted to go ahead and potentially buy Beats by Dre. The first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and actually look at a review. I'm gonna look at people's opinions before I actually make a purchase. So what I'll do is I'll go to google.com and I'll go to Beats by Dre review, right? And then once I type that in, I'm gonna go ahead and get two types of pieces of content that I can consume to make a purchasing decision. Number one is going to be YouTube videos. YouTube and Google are the same company. So with that being said, they favor YouTube videos and they usually display them at the top. And number two is blog posts, right? So people create blogs, I can read the blog. So it all depends on what type of content I prefer to consume. Do I want to go ahead and look at a written review, or would I like to save some time and actually look at a video? So how are we gonna go ahead and actually leverage this to make money online? I'm gonna go to show you guys in 3 easy steps. So step number one is we need to find a product that we can actually go ahead and promote and review. So that way we can be that person in the middle of whenever somebody's searching before they actually make a purchase. We're gonna go ahead and leverage that traffic, leverage that attention, get the product in front of that individual and have them buy our product, right? Best place to actually sell products are affiliate products, right? What are affiliate products? Affiliate products are when you don't own the product. So somebody else creates the product, and then you can go to clickbank.com, you can go to jvzoo.com, you can go to maxbounty.com. Those are my 3 favorite because you can go ahead and promote other people's products, digital products, to where they're not like physical products where you have to deal with the cost of goods. It's strictly digital. It's like Netflix. So there's really high margins. These people are willing to pay 50 to 75% commissions to actually promote their products. So with that being said, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to find products. Now, the first step to finding products is, number one, you need to go ahead and actually pick a niche, right? I would highly recommend picking a niche. Once you go to pick a niche, one of the easiest ways to pick a niche is something that you love doing and something that solves a problem. So if you go down this category section in ClickBank, for example, if I was to go to health and fitness, let's just say I love health and fitness, I can go to promote those products. Let's just say parenting and families, I can go to promote those products. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to go to e-business and e-marketing, right? Now, if I go to e-business and e-marketing, let's just say Super Affiliate System by John Crestani. I can make $463.42 on one sale. That's insane, right? So he's paying, if I go to promote here, he's paying 50% commissions. So what I can do is I can do an insane amount of research, see if I can actually get access to the course. If I can't get access to the course, for example, sometimes you can actually reach out to these programs and you can ask for a review copy, let them know that you're gonna go and actually review the copy of the course and drop a blog post or a YouTube video, and they'll actually grant you access. You can literally reach out to these people. They usually have some sort of email. If I was to go back, they have an affiliate page, and then you can contact support@johncrestani.com. You can literally go ahead and message them and request a review copy, right? So what I'm gonna do is after I get my information, whether I look at blog posts, so on and so forth, then I'm gonna go ahead and actually review the product. Step number 3 is create a Google search friendly review. What is a Google search friendly review? I'm gonna go ahead and do a Super Affiliate System review, right? Remember, I can make $463 off of this product. Now, the first thing that you're gonna go and see is you're gonna see blog, or you're gonna see YouTube videos, and then you're gonna do blog posts. Now, if you wanna create a blog, let's just say a WordPress blog, that's gonna cost you maybe like $60, and then producing content is free, but YouTube is absolutely free, right? So whether you guys wanted to do blogging or YouTube, at the end of the day, first and foremost, why is this blog ranking? Because it literally has the keyword that I just searched, Super Affiliate System Review. That's Google search friendly. And then if you notice here, in the beginning of the actual blog, it says Super Affiliate System Review. So that's why this is, it has the keyword, right? The thing that I'm searching for, it has it in the content. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually click the first one right here. Now the first thing that he has a thumbs up, thumbs down, and it's like, does he say good things about it? Does he say negative things about it? The first thing about the review is the thumbnail. He has a really good thumbnail. Second thing about the review is he actually has access to the system. So this is the benefit of writing or creating a review when you actually have access to a product. You're gonna get more, you have more of a chance of ranking because you're gonna have a higher watch time because people are gonna actually consume it because you actually have the product and you're reviewing the product. Next is Super Affiliate System Review. So he has it in the title. Next is Super Affiliate System Review. He has it in the first sentence in his description, and in his tags, I'm pretty sure, like in the tags, video tags, he has it, right? So simply guys, he created a Google friendly review. So people who are right on the verge of actually buying this product come across his review before they decide to purchase. So what do you think they're gonna make the purchase? They're already on his page. Step number 3 is a call to action, right? I didn't write that, but it's a call to action saying, hey, if I like this product or I don't like this product, if you guys want access to this product, you can go ahead and find it at this link. And then you're just gonna go to recommend them to your affiliate link. Click the link in the description, go to this website, and then redirect that website to the actual link name, so on and so forth. So guys, it's super simple. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and find products, and you can find products on ClickBank. Guys, consistency is everything. So if you do this maybe once a week, if you do a product review once a week, imagine it's gonna be evergreen, right? It's gonna be where people are gonna continuously find your content before they actually make a purchase. And the only way that's gonna happen is if it's a Google search friendly review, meaning you are creating content around the keywords. You literally have product name, review, and then have that every single where, so that way it actually ranks. And then after you provide value and you go ahead and give your honest opinion, have a call to action to your affiliate link, so that way you can rake in that dough. And in this specific example, I can go ahead and generate $463 every time I generate a sale. So with that being said, my friend, that is how you make money on the Google search. Hey, thank you so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Also, be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell to be notified every time I drop some new heat. Lastly, if you found yourself thinking, hey, I want to learn from this guy, then click the link in the description to grab access to my new book, or you can grab it at ericsnewbook.com. Again, that's ericsnewbook.com. Thanks for watching.